Hi everyone, this is Stephen and this is day 16 of the FlowXO Video Advent Calendar Spectacular. We're going into the weekend on a high here at FlowXO. Some huge releases this week, well reported on the press, and we've seen a massive response too. I think that's warranted given one feature in particular, the web messenger we released yesterday, which makes it possible to add a bot interface to any website. Visitors will be able to click a button and start chatting to the business that you run within an embedded messenger that opens up directly inside the website or application. So you can now instantly botify your website, landing page, or anywhere else that you host a little HTML snippet. We're going to be looking at that in a few minutes. First, as always, let's get onto my desktop and take a look at a bot that's been brought to my attention this morning. So let's get onto Messenger. So the bot I want to look at with you is the eBay Shop bot. Now it's been around a little while and it does all the things you'd expect it to do. It's very good. It drills down on categories. There's some rich content to click, and there's even an up-to-date holiday gifts collection in here. So it's a well executed bot. There's even a good persistent menu in here, which allows me to look at any favorites that I've saved in the past. So it's really functional as well. A great bot. It works. The standout feature, however, which at first to me stood out as a little bit of a gimmick, but it's a competition to find a pair of Snap spectacles somewhere in one of the collections, meaning that you have to click and search through each one of these collections. You might just find something you'd like to buy along the way. It's a clever device which I really liked. Okay, let's get on to taking a look at FlowXO's web messenger in a little bit more detail. We're going to use the example business and bot that we use every week in our weekly webcast. It's the Mortgage Store. If you haven't seen one of FlowXO's live Getting Started webcasts, I highly encourage you to do so. They run every Wednesday at 3 PM UTC, and there'll be a link to sign up in the slides in the final frames of this video. So let's get into FlowXO, and I'm here at bots. So I'm just going to disconnect our existing bot at the moment, and I'll set one up fresh. You just need to click new bot, go to web here. It's going to be the mortgage bot as per usual. And here's my code snippet. So with that generated, that's all the work I need to do. My flows are already in place. Those flows that we use in our weekly webcast every week are already there. All I'm doing is connecting up this bot to those flows like I would with any other bot. The advantage being that I can take this code and paste it into anywhere that I host some HTML. So your existing web page or a landing page that you put out there, or absolutely anywhere else. Just cut and stick this code into the HTML just before the closing body tag. Get your web developer to help you out with that if you need to, but it's literally 30 seconds work. The good news is I can just hit try me down here at the bottom, and this is exactly what it'll look like wherever you host it. And you can see here, this is exactly the same text, the same messages, the same bot that's working that we use in Messenger in our weekly webcast every week. The difference again is simply that I'm hosting it now directly inside my own website or my own landing page, or absolutely anywhere that you've put that little snippet of code. So it will do all of the same things that we complete in the weekly webcast. It's just that it's going to all happen now directly inside this interface. Here we're starting to take the questions. So you can keep customers on your website and talk to a bot right away. Really powerful. Get it installed and take a look at it. Just final thing to say in this video, this feature is so exciting that Product Hunt, Chris Messina at Product Hunt was kind enough to feature us at Product Hunt today. So we're on Product Hunt. If you'd like to go there, take a look at what people are saying about us, put some comments of your own if you've got something that you want to say. We'd love to hear what you think of this new release. Okay, thanks again for watching. We're on to today's letter. We've got another consonant. We're closing in now on what this Christmas word or phrase must be. Today's letter is the letter N. N for November. Win the hoodie. Email me the Christmas related word or phrase made up of all the letters in this sequence of videos. Watch the others in the series for the full set. Email me the unscrambled Christmas word or phrase and win the hoodie. Don't forget to hit subscribe on the FlowXO YouTube channel too, just to keep up to date with all of our latest releases and news. See you all soon.